We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear paper jam, and I'm working with the Brother MFC-L5900dw. So with this one, there's only about 3 places your jam's going to be. First one is going to be under your toner and drum. So pull that out. If you see the paper right here, you want to gently pull it up and out slowly. You don't want to pull very fast or really hard. You could rip some pieces of paper off inside there, or you could damage a sensor and result causing jams. So just make sure you go very slow and gently. Next place is going to be in the back. So what you're going to do is pull this down. The paper would then be right there. That one's pretty easy. You just pull it up and out. Go slow, go gentle. Last but not least, it would be right here. That's another pretty easy one. Just make sure anytime you're clearing a jam, you go slow and you're nice and gentle with it. If you guys see lots of paper jams, it's probably time to bring your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.